The 2026 BMW R20 marks a bold new chapter for BMW Motorrad. It blends raw mechanical presence with modern engineering in a way that feels confident and intentional. Designed as a high-performance roadster with strong heritage influence, the R20 focuses on power, character, and premium craftsmanship, rather than excessive electronics or unnecessary complexity. Design and styling. The BMW R20 showcases a muscular, minimalist design that puts the engine right at the center of attention. A large, exposed boxer engine dominates the profile. Paired with a sculpted fuel tank, a compact tail section, and an aggressive overall stance, the wide proportions, premium metal finishes, and clean bodywork give the R20 a timeless yet forward-looking appearance. Every detail feels purposeful, emphasizing strength, balance, and pure mechanical beauty. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 BMW R20 sits a massive air and oil-cooled boxer twin engine expected to be around 2,000 cc. This powerhouse is tuned for strong low-end, torque, and effortless mid-range performance. It delivers a raw, engaging riding experience with a deep mechanical character while refined. Engineering ensures smooth power, delivery, and long-term reliability. Power is sent through a shaft drive, staying true to BMW's traditional drivetrain philosophy, chassis, and handling. The R20 is built around a lightweight yet rigid steel frame, designed to manage the engine's immense torque with confidence. A premium suspension setup, featuring fully adjustable front and rear components, offers excellent stability and comfort across a variety of riding conditions. Thanks to the boxer engine's low center of gravity, the bike feels well-balanced and planted, providing impressive cornering confidence and surprising agility for its size. Braking and safety. High-performance braking components provide strong, consistent stopping power. Dual front disc brakes with advanced calipers deliver precise control, while the rear braking system remains stable and predictable. Modern safety features, including ABS and traction control, are expected to come standard, working quietly in the background to support the rider without distracting from the pure riding experience. Technology and features. The 2026 BMW R20 strikes a careful balance between modern technology and classic appeal. A compact digital display presents essential riding information while keeping the cockpit clean and uncluttered. Multiple ride modes allow subtle adjustments to throttle, response and traction control, LED lighting, keyless ignition, and premium switchgear highlight BMW's attention to detail and overall build quality. The 2026 BMW R20 is more than just a motorcycle. It's a statement of mechanical purity and bold design. With its massive boxer engine, premium build quality, and focused riding experience, the R20 stands out as a modern classic, built for riders who appreciate power, presence, and authentic character. The Auto Explorer.